For nearly 2 decades, smartphones have dominated our lives. We use them to communicate, navigate, work, shop, take photos, play games, and entertain ourselves every single day. It's hard to imagine life without them because they have become an essential part of modern existence. But what if the smartphone's reign is finally coming to an end? A new generation of gadgets is emerging, devices that are smaller, smarter, and in some cases, even more convenient than the phone in your pocket. Instead of relying on one device for everything, technology is slowly shifting toward multiple intelligent devices working together. From smart glasses that display information right before your eyes, to rings that track your health around the clock, to earbuds that translate languages instantly. Technology is rapidly evolving in a way we have never seen before. Today, we're looking at 7 incredible devices and technologies that could completely change the way we interact with the digital world forever. Let's get started. Device number 7, Smart Glasses. Imagine waking up in the morning, stepping outside, and never once needing to pull out your phone. You start walking, and directions appear right in front of your eyes. Messages, notifications, and reminders show up naturally in your vision without interrupting what you are doing. This is the promise of smart glasses. Modern smart glasses can provide navigation, answer questions, display real-time notifications, and even translate conversations instantly. If you are traveling in a foreign country, you could understand signs and conversations without opening any app. Instead of looking down at a screen all day, everything appears directly in your field of view. It feels like something from science fiction, but it is already being tested in real-world environments. Companies like Meta, Apple, and Google are investing billions into this space because they believe smart glasses could become the next major computing platform after smartphones. And if this technology succeeds, it could completely change how we consume digital information. Device number 6, Smart Rings. At first glance, a smart ring looks like a simple piece of jewelry. Something you would wear for style, not technology. But inside this tiny device is powerful technology working silently in the background. Smart rings can track your sleep quality, heart rate, body temperature, stress levels, and even your daily activity patterns. Unlike smartwatches, which are visible and sometimes bulky, smart rings are extremely discreet. You can wear them all day, at work, at the gym, and even while sleeping without noticing them. Many users prefer rings because they forget they are even wearing a device. And that is the key advantage: continuous health tracking without interruption. Imagine waking up every morning and getting a complete analysis of your sleep and recovery without pressing a single button. As health awareness increases globally, smart rings may become one of the most important wearable devices in the world. Device number 5, AI earbuds. Wireless earbuds have already changed how we listen to music and take calls. But now they are becoming intelligent communication devices. Modern AI earbuds can translate languages in real time, improve voice clarity, reduce background noise, and even act as personal AI assistants. Imagine traveling to another country and understanding everything people say instantly. No language barrier, no confusion. Or imagine sitting in a business meeting where every sentence is translated directly into your ears in real time. Even phone calls are becoming smarter, with AI filtering noise so your voice sounds crystal clear anywhere you go. These features are not future concepts anymore, they already exist in early versions and are improving rapidly. As this technology evolves, earbuds may become one of the most important communication tools ever created. Device number 4, AI assistant devices. We are also seeing the rise of small AI-powered assistant devices that can handle daily tasks through simple conversation. Instead of opening multiple apps on your phone, you can just speak naturally. Ask a question, and get an instant answer. Set reminders, send messages, check the weather, control smart devices, all without touching a screen. The goal is simple: reduce friction between humans and technology. As artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, these assistants will not just respond, they will anticipate needs. They may remind you of tasks before you even think about them. This shift is important because it moves us away from app-based interaction toward conversation-based computing. Device number 3, advanced smartwatches. Smartwatches are no longer just fitness trackers. They have evolved into powerful mini computers on your wrist. They monitor heart health, track workouts, measure oxygen levels, manage notifications, support mobile payments, and in some cases even work independently from smartphones. Many people already rely on smartwatches during workouts or short trips where carrying a phone feels unnecessary. And as technology improves, smartwatches may eventually handle most daily tasks on their own. Instead of being a companion to the smartphone, they could become a replacement for many of its functions. Device number 2, Smart Homes. Technology is no longer limited to your pocket, it is now built into your entire environment. Modern smart homes connect lights, security systems, entertainment devices, and appliances into a single intelligent ecosystem. Instead of manually controlling everything through a phone, you can simply use your voice, or let automation handle it for you. Your home can adjust lighting based on the time of day, lock doors automatically when you leave, or even prepare your room before you arrive. This creates a world where technology works silently in the background without constant interaction. And the less we depend on phones to control everything, the more invisible technology becomes. Device number 1, the connected wearable ecosystem. The biggest transformation is not one device. It is the combination of all these devices working together. Smart glasses handle visual information. Smart rings track health. AI earbuds manage communication. Smartwatches handle notifications and payments. And smart homes respond automatically to your presence. Together, they form a complete ecosystem where no single device dominates your attention. Instead of holding technology in your hand, you wear it, live in it, and interact with it naturally. This is the future direction of computing: seamless, invisible, and always available. Conclusion: will smartphones disappear completely? Probably not anytime soon. They are still extremely powerful, useful, and deeply integrated into our daily lives. But their role is changing. Instead of being the center of everything, smartphones may become just one part of a larger ecosystem of connected devices. The future is clearly moving toward wearable, voice-controlled, and AI-powered technology. And over time, our dependence on smartphones may slowly decrease as new devices take over specific tasks. So the real question is not whether smartphones will disappear, but how much our daily interaction with them will change in the coming years. What do you think? Which of these devices has the strongest chance of replacing smartphones in the future? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tech content. This is Gadgets Hub, your destination for the future of technology. Thanks for watching.